Hi everybody, welcome and thank you for joining me and the Sidekicks for another video. We come to you from outside, so there could be random noises, you just never know. Wyatt's here, he's going to say hi real quick before he runs off to chase a bug or something. Can you say hi? Zena's here too, she loves to be outside. I have a 2-for-1 for you all today. I'm very excited. I have a new to me jewelry unboxing for you from Ana Luisa. So excited with this collaboration. They reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review, and I can't wait to do it. And I also have a Rachel Zoe Box of Style unboxing for you. So let's get to it. So Ana Luisa is a really fun company that I'm super excited to dig into my box and see what is in here. They come from the world of high fashion jewelry without the high price tag to go with it. So I was immediately intrigued and had to check it out, right? So let me see if I can get into my box here. All right. So right inside my box it says, life has beautiful moments, and this is one of them. I love that. And there's my little box, Ana Luisa. So, I'm loving this box. It has the little pull out, like a little drawer to get to my items. How pretty. I love that. It reminds me of Louis Vuitton box. So their products come from the same jewelers as Tiffany and Louis Vuitton. So they're very confident in the quality that they offer, and they come with a 1-year complimentary warranty on every product. How cool is that? All of their products are also 100% come from 100% recycled gold, which is awesome because cheap jewelry can't be recycled, right? So first product here comes inside this nice little snap pouch. Everything is inside a snapped little pouch. I did get to select my own items, and the first item here is this very pretty ring. Let me show you. Hopefully you guys can see this. Can you see that? So it's a gold ring with a little blue stone. Love it. I have no jewelry on today in preparation for this. Let me get the tag off. Just has a little Ana Luisa tag on it. And let me show you what it looks like. So I think that for such a delicate piece, it stands out so pretty. Love it. Let me see if I have the prices for you. I might have to get it. One moment, right back. Okay, so this is called the Stone Ring Palace Deep Blue. It is $65, and the description of it is, this deep blue crystal ring will make you feel like a queen every single day with a flawless deep blue quartz gemstone in a bezel setting and a subtle gold band. This deep blue crystal ring is great to wear when you want to dress to impress, start with deep blue gemstone, pendant, simple gold earrings, and an A-line navy skirt to get a chic and classy look. So that's just their recommendation. I actually really like this with what I have on. I love the blue with the corals. I think that'd be awesome. I also think this would be awesome with a t-shirt and jeans. I mean, come on, how great would that be as well? So I think this is just a beautiful ring. Nice and simple and elegant, from casual to dressy, right? So let's see what else is in here. All right, next up. I love these little pouches. How awesome are those? It's like different than your typical jewelry pouches, right? check these out. Simple gold hoop earrings. Love these. So these are, I'm going to find these for you so I can give you the price. And I believe these are the medium, or possibly the large. Medium, I think. 14 karat gold hoop earrings, medium hoop, $85 if I got the right size. These look like a medium to me. They do offer, I see on their site here that they do offer payment plans, so you can make 3 payments. So for these earrings, you could make 3 payments of $29. Let's see here. Get these on and I will show you. Okay, so I got them both in. I'm going to give you a close-up look at them. These are perfect for me. They're so light and delicate. They weigh nothing, but they are a nice size for my face. Perfect. So light. I'm loving these. Just a simple basic hoop. Again, perfect for this dress, which is a little bit dressier, but also perfect for t-shirt and jeans. Basically any outfit, right? Love them. I love a simple gold hoop. There's just nothing better, right? When you're not sure what earrings to wear, I always reach for a hoop every time, every time. So this is a 14 karat solid gold hoop that they say will last forever. Love it. Okay, one more. This is a necklace, a double-tiered little necklace. Let me get this tag off. See how pretty this is and the little details in it? The little droplets. How pretty is that? I love that. I love the double-tiered style. And this one is called the Layered Necklace Maya. It's $65. And don't worry, I do have a coupon code for you. So you can get $10 off an item of your choice. And I will list these items down below so you know which items I am showing you in this video, and I'll give you the link to the website so you can check out any of these items as well as the rest of their collection, which is just simply beautiful. All of their 14 karat solid gold will not oxidize or tarnish, and they do offer it in yellow, white, or pink. And their sterling silver is 92.5% pure silver, and then is plated with rhodium for longevity. I'm trying to get close to you guys, sorry. So what do you guys think of this one? I think that's so pretty. So I think my outfit is made for today. I started out the day with no jewelry because I knew I had this unboxing to do, and I was so excited, but these pieces are so simple yet elegant that they're perfect. Just perfect. I love it. These hoops are so light. You can't even feel them on. All right. So I hope you loved this jewelry. So I have another unboxing for you. My Rachel Zoe box of style is here. Rachel Zoe does a quarterly box. Check out this one. Hello, gorgeous. Box of style. She always sends a little pamphlet that tells you the retail value of each of the items. Her box is $99.99, every quarter, and you usually get up to $400 retail value of the products inside. I think you get between 6 and 8 items. So let's check this out. I will put my referral link down below because I'm pretty sure if you use it, you will get a discount on your first box. So right off the bat, this is the first item in here by Missoni Home. And I will read my note here. She has a note in here, a note from Rachel. Summer is all about travel, friends, and relaxing outdoors. Style that translates to effortless essentials. Can be worn with everything in your wardrobe, from a versatile crochet bag to an on-trend lucite earrings. Every item in this edition is intended to make you feel glamorous and carefree. Rachel Zoe. So right, the first item is the Missoni Home Rufus Terry Beach Towel, and the retail value of this is $220. Well, it's a good thing it came in here because I would never pay that for a towel. A towel! Holy cow! Let's check this towel out. It is beautiful. Check out the colors in this. And it is very thick. It's gorgeous. $220. Must be the rich and famous stuff. Yikes. Okay, that's the first item. Next up, looks like a bag. It is. Oh, it's a, it's a little macrame bag. Macrame. Yeah, macrame must have. It says crochet is a huge trend for summer. The wooden handles on this lined style are beyond chic, and we added a crossbody strap for versatility. The macrame must have by Daniel Nicole. The retail value is $100. So it is fully lined. It does have the crossbody strap that she mentioned by Daniel Nicole. What do you guys think of that? I'm not sure what I think of it. I feel like I made one of these in 4-H like when I was young. I probably did, and it didn't look anything like this, but it is a cute summer bag. I do like the fringe. That's different. Okay. Next up, I'm going to go in order of the book, so I'm not flipping around for you all. So, it looks like the jewelry pouch is next. There's almost always jewelry in every Rachel Zoe Box of Style. And this one is a pair of earrings. So these are the Haute Hoops. Summer calls for playful earrings. This is the Moment Lucite style. Comes in a choice of opal or tortoise and looks great with everything from caftan to jeans and a tee. So you also could have gotten them in the, I could have gotten this one. I got obviously this one, which I like. I think I like this better. So very nice. This wouldn't be too bad. I think the darker ones might have been worse. So not bad. And they're not too big. Sometimes the earrings are a little big for me that I get in my Rachel Zoe Box of Style, but I think these are a nice size. I would wear these. So I'm good with that. Next up is the Brow Basic 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. So, people underestimate the power of eyebrows. They literally transform your face. This brow gel keeps them in place flawlessly. Does anyone else use this? I do use a brow pencil, so I will have to give this a try. And I think there's just one more item in here. This is the Glow Getter. Oil-free SPF 40 broad spectrum sunscreen. So it says SPF is a must year-round, but particularly during the summer. This hydrating moisturizer is oil-free, lightweight, and boasts protection of SPF 40. So I go through a ton of sunscreen all summer long, and definitely a must-have for me. I have not tried this brand before. So this works. So that is all of my items. And they had a special going on this month, so this particular box only cost me $75. So not too bad. Not too bad. I'm not sure about this. I'm not sure if I would carry this. What do you guys think of this one? Let me try it as a crossbody. Yeah, that's not too bad, huh? As a crossbody, maybe it's not too bad. All right, that seems a little bit better. It'd be cute for summer. It's black. It'll go with everything. All right. I like her boxes. Gives me a chance to splurge on some items I would never pay the full retail price for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Don't forget about the to check out the Ana Luisa Jewelry and use that $10 off code in case there's anything that you enjoyed. I will put the items down below as well as that coupon code. It is Happy 10, so you can get $10 off. I will also put my Box of Style link as well in case you want to give it a try, because I'm fairly certain there is a discount if you use my code for that as well. Thanks for spending some time with us. I hope you have an awesome day. I would love if you would hit that like button and also hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, everyone, have an awesome one. Bye.